Over 100 years ago, in just 36 seconds, more than half of downtown Kingston, Jamaica, was destroyed. Did you know that there's a monument marking the unmarked graves of 501 unidentified victims from that catastrophe? Let's go back in time. On that fateful afternoon, at approximately 3:30 p.m., a 6.5 magnitude earthquake violently shook the bustling city of Kingston for just a mere 36 seconds. But its impact was devastating and far-reaching. The once vibrant metropolis was reduced to chaos and ruin, with over 1,000 lives lost. Eyewitness accounts vividly describe the terror and confusion that gripped the city. Screams split the air. Within 10 to 20 seconds, a town of 446,000 inhabitants had been rendered immobile, one report recounts, capturing the sudden and overwhelming nature of the disaster. This earthquake's ferocity was matched only by the infamous 1692 earthquake that sank most of Port Royal, prompting survivors to resettle in Kingston. However, the 1907 quake wrought a different kind of havoc. It was followed by a devastating fire that further hampered rescue efforts. The inferno, which historians note swept an area bounded by Mark Lane to the east, South Parade to the north, Orange Street to the west, and the Caribbean Sea to the south, consumed everything in its path. Trapped by rubble or unable to escape the flames, many victims perished. The city's response was crippled, as the Jamaica Fire Brigade's equipment was destroyed and water mains were broken. In the aftermath, the full extent of the calamity became clear. Over 1,000 bodies were found amidst the ruins or succumbed to injuries at the public hospital. The grim task of recovery revealed half of the victims burnt and charred along the city's principal streets. The city was plunged into semi-darkness, with damages amounting to an estimated £2 million, which is approximately $316 million today. Survivors, their homes and businesses destroyed, sought refuge wherever they could, in parks or on the lands of wrecked houses. The earthquake claimed many notable lives, including Sir James Ferguson, Deputy Chairman of the Royal Mail Steam Packet Company and a Member of Parliament, Edgar de Cordova, an importer and plantation owner, Lieutenant R.R. of the West India Regiment Royal Army, and J. Perez, the Cuban Consul General. Among the other victims were 7 European and 13 native West India Regiment non-commissioned officers and their families, 90 children who died when their school collapsed, 120 Cuban employees of the Machado cigar factory, 35 local tourist bureau employees, and 10 Americans buried in unmarked graves. The destruction extended to the city's infrastructure. The Supreme Court, Nova Scotia Bank, Congregational Churches, Myrtle Bank Hotel, the City Council's office, Jamaica Club, Hope College, the railway terminus, all newspaper offices, and the cable company's office were either severely damaged or destroyed. In response to this catastrophe, a special committee was established to oversee the construction of the earthquake monument at Bumper Hall. This committee included representatives from the Gleaner Company, which extensively reported on the devastation. Research by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust reveals that the monument was constructed using reinforced concrete, a testament to the determination to honor the memories of those lost. Today, the 1907 earthquake monument stands not only as a memorial to the lives tragically cut short, but also as a symbol of resilience and a collective memory. It serves as a reminder of the profound impact of natural disasters and the importance of community solidarity in the face of unimaginable loss. As visitors stand before this solemn structure, they are reminded of the enduring strength of the human spirit and the indelible mark left by those who perished on that fateful day in January 1907. Did you learn anything new from this video? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so, as that really does help the channel. Until we see you again here on the channel, thank you for watching.